What if there was a simple way to transform your manifesting process? And what if I had an exercise to prove it? Today's video is all about the truth about manifesting and simple things that you might be missing in your manifesting process. And I also have an exercise for you to try at home, so stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach, manifesting expert, and founder of mkmagicmindset.com. What if I told you that you are far more powerful than you could ever possibly imagine? Did you know that your thoughts, your beliefs, and your mindset all lay the foundation for successful manifesting? So if something's missing in one of those areas, I guarantee you whatever you're trying to create is not going to happen in your reality. When studying the law of attraction, you're taught that your thoughts are everything. Think positive thoughts and positive things will happen. And that is true. But then what about the times where negative beliefs come up, negative thoughts pop in? Do you feel like all of a sudden you've lost all control and everything you've been working for is completely sabotaged? It's just not realistic for negative thoughts to not creep in here and there. We live our daily lives under stress and pressure and deadlines. And of course, negative thoughts are going to pop up here and there, and that doesn't have to derail your entire manifesting process. It's 100% normal to not have happy thoughts and positive thoughts 100% of your day. And that's okay. Give yourself permission to have that thought, but just don't dwell on it. That's what derails your manifesting process, when you start dwelling on things. So because your thoughts, your mindset, and your belief system are all so crucial in the manifesting process, I really want to simplify and break it down for you what the basis of all this is. So if you think of these three like a little pyramid, your mindset would be on the bottom, your thoughts would be next, and at the very top, it would be your belief system. So your mindset is just your day-to-day mindset. It's how you view the world. It's how you form your thoughts. Your thoughts are obviously things you're thinking, your opinions on what's happening in your daily life, just your thoughts about things that are happening to you. It's all part of your conscious mind. It's how your conscious mind processes things, is through your thoughts. Up next, at the very top, and probably the most important, is your belief system. The reason your belief system is so important is because your belief system dictates what you can manifest into your life. If you don't believe something can happen, it won't manifest into your reality. But in simpler terms, all that a belief is a thought that you've thought over and over and over again until you fully believe it. So what if you could change your thoughts enough to form new beliefs? How could that open up your entire manifesting process? It sounds like a really simple shift to make, but sometimes changing your core beliefs can be really challenging. A lot of the times, the beliefs that we form are things that have been programmed from early childhood. Things that your parents passed off to you, things that their parents passed off to them, things that your great-great-great-grandparents passed on to your family, which passed on to you. Your thoughts about money, your thoughts about love, your thoughts about relationships, your thoughts about where you live, your home, your job, everything can be programmed in early childhood. And a lot of the times, because you've thought those thoughts and believed those things your entire life, it's not that simple to change. The ability to change your belief system can open up your entire world. If you fully, truly, completely believed that you were a millionaire and could have, be, or do anything you want, it would have no choice but to materialize into your life. A lot of the times, the reason that isn't happening for you is because deep, deep down, your subconscious mind doesn't believe it to be true, and therefore it doesn't happen in your reality. And you can't force your subconscious mind to accept something as true. It's something that you condition your subconscious mind through conscious thoughts that you think over and over again to program your subconscious mind to accept it as true, and that's your new belief system. Try and simplify it as much as possible. So you have your pyramid, you have your mindset, your thoughts, and your belief system. So because your mindset is the foundation for this whole process, be aware of the foundation that you lay. Are you in a negative mindset? Do you expect things to go wrong all the time? Are you in an anxious mindset? Are you always worried of what's going to happen next? Or are you in a powerful, affirmative mindset where you believe that you make things happen and you consciously create your reality? Make sure you lay a strong foundation, because your thoughts follow whatever mindset you lay. And like I said, your thoughts are your thoughts. Things are going to pop up here and there. Negative thoughts are going to creep in. But a great tip I have is, whenever you feel like those thoughts start to creep in, shift it to gratitude. So if something happens and you're having a negative thought about something, immediately shift it to for something to be thankful for. There is always something to be thankful for. If you have a roof over your head or someone that loves you or a bed to sleep in, you have enough to be thankful for. If you're not sure what to be grateful for, which is really rare, there's always a million things to have gratitude for, immediately shift to your physical sensations. Are you fed? Is your stomach full? Are you sitting in a comfortable chair? How do the clothes feel against your body? What sensations do you feel that you can be grateful for in this moment? There is always something to be grateful for. So the second those negative thoughts shift in, just shift it to gratitude. You don't have to stay on that thought. You don't have to dwell on that thought, and you don't have to worry about derailing your whole manifesting process because you let a negative thought creep in. The whole trick is to just not dwell on negative thoughts. Let them come and go, and shift to gratitude and try and focus on the higher vibe thoughts and more things that you want to attract into your life. And your belief system, that is something you can consciously work on over and over again. And the exercise I'm about to go into will show you how to work on your belief system to accept the thing that you want to manifest. Before we get into the exercise, if you're liking this video so far, be sure to give it a thumbs up below. So in order to do this exercise, you need to grab a piece of paper and a pen, so pause this video and go do that now. Okay, so now you have your pen and paper. The first thing I want you to do is pick one thing you're trying to manifest and write it down. Yes, I know, I'm sure there are tons of things that you're trying to manifest, but always pick one at a time. If you start focusing on too many things, it causes way too much confusion, and you really need to focus on one at a time. You could do this every day for a different thing you're trying to manifest, but for right now, pick one thing you're trying to manifest and write it down. Pause this video now. Okay, so now you have written down exactly what it is that you're trying to manifest. Now I want you to write down a number between 1 and 5 of how strongly believe that what you wrote down you can manifest and it's yours. So 1 would mean, not really sure, it's kind of a big thing, I don't know how I can shift my mindset, I'm not really sure if I can manifest this, I'm gonna try really hard. You don't really believe it's happening yet. 5 would mean, it's going to manifest today, within the hour. It's mine. I don't have to think about it anymore. I surrender. It's totally yours. So go ahead, be honest with yourself. Don't lie because it won't work. So write down your number between 1 and 5. Pause this video and write it down now. So now you should have written down what you're trying to manifest, your belief system number, and now we're going to get clear on your mindset. So you picked your number between 1 and 5, and most of you, I'm assuming, did not choose 5. If you chose 5, then you probably don't need to do this exercise because your belief system is super strong and you already know it's yours. But most of you probably did not pick a number that is out of 5. So why did you choose the number you chose? I want you to write down at least 10 beliefs that you have surrounding what it is that you're trying to manifest. It can be positive, it can be negative, it can be anything that comes up. Do not censor yourself because you need to get clear on your thoughts and beliefs about what it is that you're trying to manifest. So pause this video and write them all down now. So now you have written down what you're trying to manifest, your belief system number, and all of your thoughts and beliefs about what it is that you're trying to manifest. So anything you wrote down as to why you don't believe or you don't fully think that you can have whatever you're trying to manifest, I want you to figure out where those beliefs come from. Where does that stem from? What conditioning taught you that? Where did you come to that conclusion? How did that get into your thoughts? Try and get as detailed as possible as to where that belief came from. So pause this video and write that down now. Get as clear as possible. So now you have clarity as to your thoughts and beliefs around what it is that you're trying to manifest. And now you understand where the sources of negativity or the things that make you feel like you can't have, be, or do anything you want are coming from. So it's your job now to heal that, to change your perspective, to change your beliefs. There are so many different techniques you can try, but to simplify it for you, a belief is simply a thought that you think over and over and over again. It's not part of your identity. It's just simply a thought that you think over and over and over again. So if you want to shift that belief, think a new thought, think a better thought over and over and over again until you fully believe that it's yours. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below. I read every single one, and also turn on your bell notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And also, if you're interested in any more subconscious mind programming tips and tricks, you can join my digital course, Abundance Academy. I'll leave a link down below, and I will see you next time.